kitum na tum bergazi ambor nyem to heaven. Come on how? Wula kenyavenya adanka yetum la 247. Come on.
Exercise books and textbooks for the academic year nursery 3.95 series, 395 series, 3.5 million Ghana series, and we have like class 2 we have 695 series, 6.950 umbrella, and they won't allow you to buy from outside. Them better by can you can know that Marabaka Kaman how programs or no programs or young pike of no come here turn out one bone in a pack on fast or Lanyel be cale, but no be check up cum Lanyel Catana be check up behind than a pound at Bidebga ka no Makumana. I never new to this channel, Tema subscribe ma cut it belly. Also contents young can ye ben yara pilwiaka so come Nanyel. A disclaimer for educational purpose only. Enter so telling them just for educational purpose wula Kaman how can we are talking about academic year kana na alanyong kabia every father is crying, is yelling for school fees. Mabe muswel nama aipa muswel nama mabe northerners be mabe Ghanaians. Why are we so wicked? Remember, like aside be a sector in your school ma carbon na squeeze shape out of it ma lala nyale ka I could deal la orma ndapun yelete abon over lore I enchanted da lore be moto be ka me ye di hadi ba enchanted da bandirabo lala nyale ka so gben squeeze animane, but here is the case northern region illiteracy rate da pum biala high, very biala high, and this is one of the activities ben nang da karen check out the illiteracy rate kama karan raise pa because shukur chang den yen yang la nerwa pam, especially like primary and nursery students. Like this time, like ben nang shukur ma ye to ashele kama ben to bol bi yinga expenses taka hankal kuto dele karnya la ben to am nang le shama. I am bound it is intentionally, like you wrote the books, isabla books ma kal listle mboar na bima zan buku shanga mboham karama mta da gul kam dembe duniya ya ngazo. The window shopping kayen nang you find different prices and you cut your coat according to a size ka chante da ayana to nyang shell. But why is it that this time the zamia ben sabuku shanga ma nenye parents won akayiko na dale sambane bon boarbe ya shama ya akayiko na dal sambane problem ma you see ka ya a chang shukuro maybe to books then the maria, but right now ben to sab ben yaramata ka toilet roll biane this part like them part this time be tamale my first time bala kan ye shukuro ka zan bi chang ha ka ba da sona zalan kwahara. So the goram ya like the be ma ba mama welfare be go ma ri ka mine to pa business aspect man, because on la schools man le vendor ben yarabe supermarket you go there bi man high torche bia ba ha shop dala namda na no socks na ka no compulsory that the children should wear black and white socks. You are not buying it outside. Didn't problem high long nyela ala million, you give the parents chance to cut their coat to besides ben no to dal share. One thing nan kan kanate nan the video ma on witness element nzang la be chang shukuro ka masters ma men sotem ma ta karanyela ya simple ka teacher nyo, but o mala bookshop ndo business yeah unkuto my bookshop kim war bu shanga ma za biran karaza compulsory that untum ya la ara shukurman, because the most important thing is to provide the child the necessary materials ko my book showon yan zankarma. Then not very important, but here is the case ka this year ha mala bookshop don okay da be ka MP books ma from o shop karjia no you are not buying it from outside. Mituala anta jima ba jena sa jima ko bi oda pa kanatezan slip to ko yar fu kono ma to akabi ma ya ne bi ya na ba dal shukura ka dal na chef bi an karama lapse. Which can life be this? Nta I'm one of the people banzabra teacher num so pam because mbanya la teacher kan banamin on classroom kama dapsa shamla sabo kam mark papers. So I've gone through kami ben sharam be teacher telling like ne behma iba shokuro. I am bound the teachers ma bok bound of ma she nezer behma kindergarten behma mba shokuro 1 week. Oh, I am bound no teachers ba like I'm bound ben years of poor bill. But that doesn't give you the chance. Sorry, can you say well when he's nearby? Karza compulsory that behma books ma she del school man. We don't like to understand it. Travel mile, there via betia. Maybe to find the common problem ya. So many bookshop ka yele empty from my shop. And to be my be nera chang to polish am. Be my jila books man from outside kaba karba. Kaba bama kana kotia Zala even me ma kan kwa book. So does it necessarily mean that compulsory sharing za ni shen dal school man ya army yina. So pa solo academic purpose like unwama kabe nan ka shukur nyan nirwa pa. The literary rate ma the nyala low. Illiteracy ma ngalse. So katlan try na te net man nyen karlanjia ya ayen nan sham te chan shukur ma is very expensive. So it's automatically telling you that but like educated people man limited, so that like Ghana will continue to be corrupt, because this is where it starts from. 10-year politicians this is where it starts from. Because Bema witness here kinang the near wicked. Kazan social then can corruption man appear and back keep even non corrupt in the school. So corrupt teachers here and trainer baby and train la corrupt leaders, captain leader country. Keep me benjiri partial. Think can I come and how programs on the me conchete la schools, my special private schools ma then and die non the government schools today. Panya solo. It is not necessary that give the parents chance. Igba mi samban man no tulish. Di pasharanya teacher ma now agbayir pa teacher I aryan tarla ban man tar shama books ma biane shama bian ba I wum de lar kan ya school man karma lar ma I chang outside the color so kini yema I should not like under nang chipatin tamma under yisamba net dal at a cheap price composer nya shen kana te dal I higher price ma wula ki pa mbo na te nang tamang fon. So tell me how come 30 years na government lab ma to know like how whether to know non composer ko will do so schools man zama ka market mba ka supermarket na ka bookshops nyale. So they shouldn't turn the schools to marketing place. Antonia ba I chang man like bena value in be man zanga je chang bena value ga be ma ba mama academic purpose be pia o ben yara anto chang 20 ans kama SS ba anto yi kama kana zanga bin yara sign be ka bina kana bin yan necessary things sha ko te system man de yara bo tarba on yan shi karante sha min so sha na ka kwa ma nyele. It shouldn't be so. It shouldn't be so. Kaman how programs or Yusuf Abu Turzon. When your producers on the program Kabiru Jato and one za camera nyanga karpara. Abdul Basit Kuchire Akolana as always. If you are new to our channel, temeka subscribe ka the bell and your new contents anytime ka to drop it. Peace out.
Kaman how? Wula kenye venya adanka yetum la 247.